In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage support tickets in HubSpot. We're going to walk through the basic ticket workflow inside HubSpot Service area so you can log incoming requests, organize them clearly, and keep your support process moving smoothly from start to finish. This is especially useful if your team handles customer phone calls, technical issues, or general support inquiries and needs a simple way to track progress. To begin, go to the main HubSpot navigation bar and open Service, then select Tickets. This takes you to the ticket management area where your support requests are organized in one place. If you're new to this view, take a moment to notice how tickets are displayed and how the workspace is designed to help you monitor activity quickly. If you need to manually log a new issue, click Create Ticket. This is the option you'll use when a support phone call comes in, or when someone on your team receives a technical request that needs to be tracked. Creating a ticket manually helps make sure nothing gets missed, even if the issue didn't come in through an automated channel. As you enter the ticket details, make sure the information is clear and specific so anyone reviewing it later can immediately understand what the issue is and what kind of follow-up may be needed. To make the process more efficient over time, connect your shared support inbox under your settings. Once that shared support email box is linked, incoming emails can automatically generate tickets for your team. This reduces manual entry and helps centralize support communication, which is especially helpful if multiple team members are monitoring requests. Automation here can improve response consistency and make sure customer issues are captured the moment they arrive. As your team works through open requests, you can update ticket progress directly on the service board by dragging ticket cards from one stage to another. This visual layout makes it easy to reflect changes in resolution status without opening each ticket individually. It's a simple but effective way to keep your pipeline current and help everyone understand what's waiting, what's in progress, and what has already been resolved. Once a ticket has been completed, you can send an automated post-resolution feedback survey right from the ticket closure process. This is a great way to collect customer input while the interaction is still fresh. Feedback like this can help you evaluate service quality, identify patterns, and improve the support experience over time. That's the basic ticket flow inside HubSpot, and once you get comfortable with it, managing support requests becomes much more organized and efficient.